Unless you're a first base umpire.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Hey, we're on base, guys.
We're gonna win the game. Go. Keep going.
Easy. Let's play it safe.
Nice one.
Go.
Oh, yeah.
On the base, on the base. Yeah.
Go. Nice job, Brad.
Good hustle.
Les.
Nice.
Oh,
Well done. That's a gap. Go out, go.
Come on,
You love it. Nice.
Run, yes! Yeah! Dragon!
That's good.
I got
Come on, Andrew.
Sorry, I couldn't go on that.
Yeah,
Nice,
that's
Matt.
not help.
Here we go.
Probably just give me Oh, I got it.
Try, John.
Yeah! Lovely gap it! Yeah!
Time.
Come on, feet! On Harvey Tinder. Good work, team!
Nice job, guys.
Go somewhere else!
Anyone else?
No.
Infield fly. Time. Go. Out. Sideways.
No.
James.
Forced out.
Go again.
Time. Get started.
Go balls. Strike three. Side away.
I got a massive blood pressure on my foot, but yeah. Blood pressure.
Out. Out.
Yes, lad!
You good. Good job, lads. Time! He fucking did that in our game last night as well. Out!
you can't use the bat as a threat.
Run, Johnny, run!
Yes, go, Goody.
You wish. Your wish. I gotta let it go, otherwise I'm gonna like jam myself up.
That's one, Gary, that's the one.
Go! Oh, you could have if you'd run. You'd have been on third by now. How did you hold the cup of tea?
Making a cup of tea.
Let's go. Run, Fiona, run! Oh, unlucky.
That's all right.
Head down, Harvey.
Come back! Oh, you lucky boy. Go! Stop on two!
Well done!
Gary!
Let's go, Keith! Stood on second base.
Go! Out! Right away!
Run, Lee! Run!
Lovely hit, Lisa! Time! Time! Lovely hit!
Beautiful hit, Marin.
Good work. Time!
Unlucky, Harvey! Unlucky!
Time!
She always takes it about 5 miles away.
Go, Nick! No play. Time! That's all right. Nice hit, Lisa! Time!
Run it, Mike. Nice all behind, James. Head down.
Time! Someone take over. 2, 2.
Oh, he's so good, babe.
Out! Side away!
2-1.
If he'd been tagged on the arse doing that, I would have.
If I was an umpire, people would put an eye, I'd be like, yeah, you're out of here. Is it just like a regional accent?
Yes, and then a little bit of a lift and a little bit of a sit.
Side away!
Someone see a tackle.
Beautiful then!
Got it!
Keep the ball!
Charge it! Charge it! Hard one!
It's all about the tape, isn't it?
Really hard to follow.
Go, Nick!
Go in there. Go in there.
Go on, Nick! All the way, Nick! Nice one, Nick!
He's up there. Save your arm. Save your arm.
No, go back to get the cap!
I'll get your cap. You're going to get it back.
I didn't.
Strike 3! That way! We're always supposed to play on Saturday. Go, 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 go! Out!
I like the guy on there.
That was good running.
We're going to get home back to about 8:30 and then go to bed. Here we go. Foul ball. That away.
I'm obsessed.
Almost like a peeler.
Yeah. Yeah, you coming on? out.
Hold your play.
Come on, Polly, if you didn't see it.
Time. Go on, G, you got this. Look at me, G. Straight home.
It's coming.
Back.
Yeah.
See. Time. Sorry, I did say stay.
If only you were closer, Andrew.
Woody. Yeah.
Come on. Straight three.
Have we got a race again? It's a race again.
Time.